Hi there. This is the review the required readings and audio section of this week's asynchronous session. Of course, as per usual each week, we've got recorded lectures you can take a look at, read the chapter. Again, we're in Chapter 7 in the Chapter 7 appendix. Go ahead and try problem 1 out of the Chapter 7 appendix. So it'll hone or suggest your skill level in terms of answering problems relative to this program evaluation and review technique, which you'll need to use as part of case 2, which is assigned this week. So in addition to doing the risk management process on the D&J Plastics project, which is one of the assignments that will come out of Chapter 7, in which you'll roll through a risk identification matrix, a failure mode and effect analysis, and then a risk response matrix. For the major risks for the project, I would focus in on maybe the top 10 at the most. It's a pretty robust process if you get too deep. So 7, 5, probably no less than 5 of the major risks. So I don't know, between 5 and 10. That'd be a good range for that. Also, you're wrapping up your responsibility matrix, your SE 4-3. That's due next week. If you're seeing this before Thursday night, case 1 is due Thursday night. And then case 2, as I mentioned before, has been assigned to you. It's couples the knowledge and information from Chapter 6 and Chapter 7, and has you do a portion of the conveyor belt project, one of the computer exercises at the end of your chapter, with a little twist. The twist is a PERT analysis as part of that. So take a look at case 2 that's been posted. I'll chat about this on class, I'm sure, on Wednesday night this week, just to give you a briefing on what's going on with that. Because it's a pretty rapid turnaround, 2 weeks, and trying to absorb the knowledge and materials. I do expect some questions to pop up from time to time, asynchronously over the course of the next couple weeks for that. And then it's the start of your second discussion forum, albeit your first one was more of an introductory forum. The second forum will focus on the Chapter 5 case I had you read that I thought we would be able to do live in class last week. Now I've just turned it into a discussion forum for you to do over the next couple weeks. You'll have a week to respond to the initial posting, and then a second week to read everyone else's and respond to their postings as well. And I hope to chime in from time to time as well as I read these over the next few weeks as well. That's about it for this time around. Again, as usual, get a hold of me if you've got any questions, or post to the discussion forum if it's something more general that others might wanting some help in. And I will be recording, of course, a video like this next week, and also one about the results, and a preliminary discussion of the results, because by the time we get back talking to each other from the simulation, we'll be in period 4. So I'll probably want to have some things to say early on before that, and so I will do so in a separate recording, kind of like these. That's all for now. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.